Want to hear the comment this one made earlier?
Oh God. Cut the Did you bring those? Adam's about to use this.
I was wondering the other day when they were talking about that, I was like, how are you supposed to get up there?
Yeah. Greg's idea is to lean the ladder against one of these posts. Because originally I think the homeowner wanted them in between the posts, but I just don't think it's possible without bringing like a lift in here or something. So Greg's idea is to put them in front of the post and lean up the ladder, I think from this side, and somehow nail up and wire this. Not a good shot.
Start? God, I don't even know what I said. Oh, we're just going to generator estimate. We got some great crews that are really able to knock these out, make them look really clean and professional. So something we specialize in for sure, and we would love to do yours too. So we want to do a great job of building a relationship with our customers. So you know who to call. And you're gonna see some goofy guys that do great work. They're just pretty goofy. Love it.
I think that this is supposed to come on like a fan or something.
Yeah, ignition.
Then you'll have to tell me if the electrician has to be here at the same time.
Oh, here we go. You know what? Let me go
And
grab
a
it.
screwdriver.
I'm gonna go grab one real quick. Give me a second. Well, you do have a crack here. Before I lift this, before I lift it, it might.
Yeah, okay.
You see it? Okay.
No, I don't see it. But
It's right here. It's right here.
whatever.
Yeah.
There you go.
Like a puzzle. I love it. So this switch has nothing. Here it is, right here. All right, all your wiring's down here. So it looks like it used to be connected. So it just cut. Well, shucks. Why didn't they just leave it connected, huh? Oh, you got your outlet down here. That's that switch right there.
Okay.
I'm thinking this used to lead to this right here too. You have an outlet down here. Let me get a plug tester. I'm sticking my fingers in here. I probably shouldn't, but it is what it is.
Well, there's two outlets in the main electrical panel that don't do anything.
Okay.
So
But you need them to work. Okay. Let me get a plug tester. Let's check that one out, okay? Hit that switch for me if you don't mind. Go ahead.
You
You're
ready
good.
to go see Jesus?
Yeah, well, hope so. Yep, that's it. That switch is controlled on there, so you don't even have to run power. You already got it down there.
So when the electrician comes back to actually do the work, then I'll do this. I'll hear a fan go on.
You mean the fire guy?
No,
The gas guy?
No.
What electrician? I'm the electrician.
Me llamo Cristal.
Yeah, Cristiano. Soy confundido. I'm confused.
Okay. I thought that you were going to assess and see what needs to be done, but I was like, you're doing a whole lot of work.
Yeah. It makes no sense for me to send someone out here on a day charge for you when you already have everything done. Like, I would look kind of goofy. I was like, hey, go fix your problem, but I didn't even look into what your problem is. You know what I mean? Yeah, you're good there. I look at those outlets in the garage just to assess, see if I got to fix them. Our goal is to make a difference by showing you that we care.
Okay.
So it's nothing for me to just take a couple extra minutes, make sure you're okay, you know?
When we go out to the panel, would you mind checking to see which one turns this on?
I can figure it out. All right, let's go see the panel.
Yeah.
I was hoping you would say no. I don't know if I wouldn't mind falling into that right now.
Okay, so there's two things about out here. Number 15 is on the right, no, higher. I don't have my glasses on.
I do, and I still can't see.
Okay, it's like the third from the bottom, third or fourth from the bottom. That's the switch, I can't see. That's the switch that keeps tripping. The bottom line is that when I plug in the generator to charge it up, then it blows everything. I had to unplug everything in the garage except for the generator when I'm charging it up. Watch the bike. You ready for a bike ride?
I would love a bike ride. It's been a minute, so I might fall over a little bit.
Okay, so let's go to, I'll show you on the back porch. And my vicious pit bulls will come in.
Your
back the
vicious
legs.
pit bulls?
Yeah. The solar panel will be out here. The generator, I'm going to put it up on a shelf in here. Whatever the issue is with the garage, I'm sure it would be the same issue here. Get
But the
down.
hot tub is that a 50 amp plug?
I don't know.
My bad, I'm speaking French to you, aren't I?
Yes, you are. Yeah, he installed.
Okay,
the
yes,
electrician
that's the 50
installed
amp.
this for me.
Did he run a wire for this, do you remember? Oh, like straight to the panel?
Yeah.
Okay, perfect. If that's the only thing you got plugged in, and this,
Yeah.
you're really not drawing a lot. And if he ran this, if that's a dedicated circuit, if he ran that to your garage, then that means you're really good there.
So can you check that out? Because you're saying if he did.
I got you. Oh, you want me to see? I can send
Verify.
someone. Yeah, I can send someone to do that.
Okay.
You already know the price, and we can get it done the same day.
Okay.
Yep.
All right, yeah.
Oh, they're so adorable. Guys. Oh,
There they go.
well, my bad.
Go
I was
ahead.
opening for you. Okay.
You go.
Gotcha.
Yeah,
Okay.
Okay. All
Sounds good. I
Thank
appreciate your
you.
time, okay?
right. Okay, thank you so much.
No problem. You have a great rest of your day. Be safe.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
It was nice chatting with you.
Nice chatting with you. Thank you for the... I know
ya. Bye-bye.
our YouTube family's going to love you, so...
If I park my truck here, is there a chance that I come out with no wheels or no? Just curious.
Probably. Don't record me. Transformer right there. He's clearing all these. Bendiciones. Aquí está el otro jefe que trabaja con nosotros, Adam. Él va a estar en cargo de todo el proyecto también con nosotros. Hacemos YouTube, so ella es Sydney, en persona en cargo de nuestro canal.
Habla español.
Poquito.
Speak Spanish.
Bueno, en el canal sí tenemos.
Sí,
Sí,
okay, good. Esto todavía está en reparación.
sí, yo estaba viendo.
Mañana viene este roof, ya está.
Hay un ley que en línea de ellos
Yeah.
está 12 pies del piso. Ahora, para esconderlo, Greg está hablando que podemos ponerlo en este lado.
Yeah.
El box, de afuera.
What did you just say?
Yeah.
Porque yo no sabía en este lado no es
Yeah.
para amarrar línea.
There it is.
Ajá. Para ustedes. Y más escondido también en este lado.
Pero adentro. Right?
No, vas a tener dos cajas, una afuera y otro adentro. El otro adentro podríamos todavía hacer sin problema,
Ajá, no,
en
sí,
ese
sí.
pared. Pero el de afuera, aquí es mejor. Sí.
Y tiene que ser muy bajo, vamos a ir más para arriba.
Va a ser como, you think right here, right?
What?
The height of it.
Okay.
Lo que sea. ¿Este a dónde va? El water heater. Van a ponerlo en la casa o acá abajo. Nada más para saber dónde vamos a correr esa línea.
Exacto.
Para el water heater.
Water heater.
Ok. Perfecto. Ahora adentro.
Okay, God bless you. Okay?
God bless you too. Hablamos, ok. Dios le bendiga. Gracias, gracias.
comment this one made earlier.
Oh God.
What'd you say?
I don't know what you're talking about.
Yeah. Tell him. Don't be nervous now.
I don't know what you're talking about.
About old John Party.
I just think he has a good voice.
Say what you said.
John Party?
Yeah.
What about him?
She's hating on old Keith Will.
What? How do we go from John Party to?
Because he's got a
Talking
better
shit
voice
about-
than Keith Will.
No, I just
You're out of your.
I said he has a more unique voice than Keith Whitley.
What song was it with that girl sung?
When you say nothing at all.
Apparently there's a girl that sings better than Keith Whitley. It's god awful. It's horrible.
Alison Krauss?
It's horrible. And then she tried to pull the old, well, we'll see who has more monthly listeners on Spotify.
It says Center Island, but he's got it marked like it's not. The center of the bar is what he's got marked.
Pendant lights, center,
Of the island or the bar?
center.
Of the whole thing.
I need somebody to act like they're doing something.
I'm trying to think of any questions.
Will you act like you're wiring something?
Just start sprinting back and forth.
If she hasn't.
What's the TikTok idea?
Go get your phone. You want it done?
I'm gonna
or not?
walk back.
It takes two people. And Adam
Hey.
refuses.
Will you go pull a wire or something?
I'm nailing up a box.
Well, go act like you're pulling something.
Well, it's gonna take me a minute.
Nothing but time here, buddy.
Laid out the spring. Good now? How about now?
Right now.
Alright, so we closed down our drawing. Here it is. We were going to randomly pick somebody because we had a ton of people. I think I like the noise the best. We'll post this on our video, and if this is you, reach out.